Ladies and gentlemen of ISSA, the moment has arrived. It's time to elect a leader in the commercial cleaning industry. Today, we're not just talking about products. We're talking about progress. This isn't just software. Janitorial Manager is your candidate for a new era in cleaning. Our platform promises real results for the challenges you face every day. Streamlined operations, controlled budgets, and flawless reporting. Imagine a future where every task, every team member, every resource is right where you need it. Powered by Janitorial Manager. Our supporters have spoken loudly, and they believe in a brighter future. Now we need you to join the movement and cast your vote. Visit booth 147 at the ISSA Innovation Theater and stand up for innovation. Your support will make Janitorial Manager not just the leader, but the people's choice. Vote for a platform that's ready to serve, ready to lead, and ready to elevate our industry. Vote Janitorial Manager at booth 147 for the Industry Choice Award. Let's shape a future where our industry thrives together.